Hey, I'm Laoni. And if you're in your 40s, 50s, or even 60s, feeling stuck in your 9 to 5 grind, drowning in debt or unsure how you'll ever retire, you're not alone and you're in the right place. After 15 years of chasing every online business model under the sun, I finally found a digital marketing system that actually works. One that doesn't need you to be techie or even build your own product. On this channel, I'll show you how to shift your income, your mindset, and your future using a simple done-for-you digital system built for beginners just like us. Every week, I'll share real talk, step-by-step strategies, and a freedom-focused advice to help midlife beginners like you start fresh and finally build a business that fits your life. So if you're ready to stop starting over and finally get ahead, hit subscribe and let's shift your money and your mindset together. Welcome to Midlife Money Shift.